Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method from Walmart. Open the website at walmart.com. Then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign In. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for Wallet under your account. Click on Wallet. Now you will see the list of your payment methods. Click on the Edit button beside the payment method you wish to remove. On this page, scroll down a little. Then, you will see a button that says Delete Card. Click on Delete Card. A pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to delete the selected payment method. To proceed, click on Confirm. That's how you remove a payment method from Walmart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.